It's your man Alex, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a short length self haircut. I'm going to be cutting around 2 to 3 inches off the top with scissors and cleaning up the sides with a really nice fade. Starting with no guard and the lever closed, start your initial guideline around your eyebrow and then drop it down below your occipital ridge once you reach the back of your ear. Make sure you are using both of your mirrors properly, so this way you can see what you're doing to the back of your head. Continue doing the exact same steps on the other side of your head using the no guard lever closed. Now with no guard and the lever open, go up about ½ an inch from your initial guideline. Make sure you are keeping your guidelines consistent all the way around your head. This is the key to a really sweet fade. You can't have a nice fade if one side of your head is uneven and the back of your head doesn't curve around your occipital ridge. Do the exact same thing on the other side of your head, going up ½ an inch using no guard and the lever open. If you are not following me on Instagram, you can at Alex Kouras. I post a lot of behind the scenes and you can really get to know more about me there. I always do my best to answer any questions you guys have regarding my videos, my self haircut course, or your self haircuts. Using the number 1 guard lever open, go up about 3/4 of an inch from the previous guideline. Right now in the self haircut, we are prepping ourselves by removing the bulk in order for us to fade the hair later on. Be very patient and take as much time as you need to get this right. Continue using the number 1 guard lever open on the other side of your head. If you guys are enjoying this self haircut, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that way other people who are looking to save money can learn this awesome skill set as well. With the number 2 guard lever open, I'm running the clippers up to my part line. Notice how I am purposefully not trying to dig into my part line. If I do, this will create an ugly round shape to my hair, which will really make the final product of the haircut not look so great. So make sure you stop around ½ an inch from your part line and flick up and away from your head to give the hair a somewhat blended look. You do not want to dig into your part line. Unless you think you can pull off this type of hairstyle, I would recommend leaving some hair by your part line. Continue using the number 2 guard lever open on the other side of your head, leaving about half an inch from your part line and using that flick out motion to slightly blend in the hair. Now to begin fading in all those ugly hard lines we just created, go back to the no guard lever closed and begin flicking out that first hard line. Make sure you are starting from below the hard line and flicking up and away to blend it in. You do not want to dig into the hard line and push the guideline further up your head into your other guidelines. Keep it slow and steady and flick out from below the hard line. Using the half guard lever closed, do the exact same process as before and flick out the next hard line. You can adjust the lever on your clippers accordingly if you feel like you need to blend the hair a little bit more. Now with the 1.5 guard lever closed, flick out that third hard line. You should start to see the self haircut really come together at this point. Alright, so we're going to be switching sides now. So using the exact same fading steps, you want to do the exact same thing on the other side of your head, starting with the no guard lever closed, and then the half guard lever closed, and finally the 1.5 guard lever closed. Now that all the clipper work is complete, you can bust out the thinning shears and blend in all of the hair that we left uncut by your part line. Just so you guys know, my self haircut course is now available to purchase on my website. If you want to learn how to save hundreds of dollars every single year by cutting your own hair and learn a skill set that will last you for your entire life, check out my self haircut course. You can say goodbye to your current hair salon or barbershop and begin this self haircut journey, saving yourself hundreds of dollars every single year on haircuts. In the course, you will learn all of the tips and skills that I've learned over the past 10 years of cutting my own hair in over 60 high-quality videos. From how to use thinning shears, how to utilize your hands, wrists, arms, and body motions while looking through the mirror to give yourself a professional-like haircut, to how to properly cut the length on top of your head with scissors. Because yes, at some point over the months while cutting your own hair, you will need to use scissors and cut the length off. For these few reasons and a whole lot more, this is where my expertise will help you out a lot. Guys, if this sounds like something you are interested in, you can check out all of the course details on my website using the first link at the top of the description. I look forward to helping you become an expert self haircutter and saving you a lot of money. Alright, so right now I'm just moving my hair around, double checking everything to make sure that all of my hair is completely even on top of my head. Alright everyone, so once again, here is the before of my hair. I was definitely in need of a fresh new look, a complete transformation, and I have to say, this haircut is super fresh, super clean, that fade is super tight, the haircut on top is incredible. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching, but I'll catch you next time. Peace!